So please, we are going to take a look at moving averages. So here we have three moving averages. The one beside, just close to candlesticks, I have choose the moving average 10, followed by the one closer to moving average 10, which is moving average 50, and lastly to the one that diverge far away from the moving averages. I call it moving average 200. This is a simple secret on buy and sell. So let me take a look at this instance here. For this instance, please you look at it very well. Each time we have our moving average, which is closer to candlesticks, which is the moving average 10, being crossed over by this moving average 50, and finally being crossed over by moving average 200, know that a sudden buy is coming. Look at it, it keep buying. So right now we have to take a look at what is going to happen here, because this is what would happen to Great British Pound at M15. So you can test for different time frames and know when to buy or sell. So actually this is moving average 200. It has cut across moving average 10, and when it cuts across moving average 50 again, the market will fall. That's actually what we do. According to your resistance and support or whatsoever, you're going to have more edges in the market. So let us look at the historical data of what has been happening to the different markets. So look at it again here. This is moving average 50 of 200 here. This is moving average 200. It has crossed over moving average 10 and finally has crossed over moving average 50, and the market is being pushed upward. Most traders, when they see it cross over moving average 10 here, and there are attempts of crossing over moving average 50 here, they just start buying because this is moving up. So this is how it is moving. This is it here. Look at it. Coming and doing the same thing here. And finally, there are probabilities that it is now trying to push this market down by crossing over here and instead moving above all the candles. Note that when buying, it goes below all the different moving averages, and when selling, it goes above all the moving averages. That is moving average 200. It shows you the future of the market. So that's what we do when trading this moving averages. Let me take another example. Let me take gold. So look at what is happening with gold. Gold is trending, and one can actually see. But this is the same scenario here. It has cut across 10, cut across moving average 50, and has gone above. Once it is above, trying to cut across this one to move, know that the market will fall drastically. And look at it here. It has gone down. It has cut the moving average 10 and has also cut across moving average 50, and the market is pushed up. Look at it here. When it is approaching to this moving average, many traders are aware. So that's why it has cut across moving average 10 here and has still cut across, and the market is dumping down. It went down close to 100 pips here. 1957, 1956, or 1756 to, meaning that if you were selling, you started at 80. So that's huge sums of money. Look at it, it's up, and once it's up, everything is always selling, though the market kept consolidating here. That's how it works. So that's the use of moving. Look at it here. It has cut across the moving average 10 here, cut across moving average 50, and went below. Once it goes below, it pushes prices upward. Look at it here. If it crosses over here again, it crosses over this moving average 10 here, cut over moving average 50, and the market is going below. So there are higher probabilities that this market will keep going down, even from this area of interest. So there are many ways to analyze it. So at times you just need to look for a means so that you can analyze. Take a look at Bitcoin. It's very clear here that Bitcoin will be buying, keep buying. So actually it is buying. Why? Because it came here, and when it was cutting across this line here, it was at this point. So many buyers who were wise, they just bought Bitcoin, and this is why it is moving upward. The buy is not even there, because actually right now it is going to back